that's the worst type. Yeah, there you go. That's the noise birds make, apparently. It looks like this was the way. I've just missed a checkpoint. I'll have to go back to that. Boom. Wow. God, I'm just hearing so much detail. Stuff I've missed in the past. Lovely evening, eh? Sound like Pat Main now. Hello, I'm Pat Main. You're listening to KBFFM, and tonight on the Pat Main Show. It's not what he sounds like at all. Okay, well that was it. That was a checkpoint, so back we go, I guess. Come on, Alan. You can do it. Push. Push it! Push it real good! Oh, nice jump out. Whoa! Too many birds! What was all that? Don't know. There's a coffee thermos. Must get it. You picked up the coffee thermos. Well done. Now, moving on. Oh, Sandra. JZ. Just to let you know. Getting eaten by birds. Now he's playing Epoch. Don't know if that overlay comes up on Steam. I guess it does. Filthy heathen. Whee! I didn't mean to use that one. Oh well. Eat lead, sucker! Boom, boom, boom. I want you in my room. Spend the night together from now until forever. Bit of anger, boys. And we head in here. And there's a checkpoint. Marvelous business. Cookie. Hooray! Let's pick up the flare gun ammo. Open the emergency box. Do emergency boxes contain weapons? Don't know. Seems very unresponsible. If they did. Maybe they do. I don't know. Who knows? Oh. No more revolver ammo for you. I'm Alan Wake and I don't need any more. Right, so we're going into this suspicious looking woods. It's a bit worrying. Oh, not one of these guys. Not need that. There we go. Got him! That'll teach him to be all sneaky. Gawking around like an idiot. Oh yeah! Thought they were being clever. They weren't. There we go. Ah, yeah, we like a bit of light, don't we? Time for the shotgun. Might as well use it or lose it. Enjoy your trip. Letting off all the fireworks, ain't we? I think we got him. Boom! It's a big rusty piece of crap. Why would you break a tree? What did the tree ever do to you? Oh, a boat. Nice. Hey, enjoy the flares, son of a bitch. Cauldron Lake, going slowly. Holy hell! Jesus! That was interesting. Oh, and we made it. Didn't always take that many times to start, did they? getting harder now. Don't want the revolver ammo. Right, okay. Yes, we do want the revolver ammo. We'll go back to the revolver now that we're maxed out on it. Which way do I go now? This way. This way. Do you think, just maybe, that the Dark Presence is a little bit annoyed? Possibly? Yeah! I've just actually spat on the screen a bit there. Throwing a freaking boat at me. Jesus. Do you know what? I'm just gonna cheese it. No, I'm not. I'm gonna investigate it. Oh, rusty boat. These are all things that ended up in the lake, I believe. Oh. Okay. Another checkpoint. We're doing alright. We're doing okay. We're doing fine. Gotta get to Cauldron Lake. Find a way to Cauldron. Oh, look, a light. Nice. To Cauldron Lake. Is Cauldron Lake this way? Oh. Darkness is their friend. What? Alright, looks like we're going upstairs. That's okay. Don't mind if I do. Darkness will take them and put them in your mouth. Do I want to jump out here? No. That's that way. Ah! There's a box. Land on the box. This looks like it could get messy. Was that Helter Skelter? How bizarre. I've been playing Skyrim, I want to mine this ore vein. But I don't think I should. There's electricity. Alright, push this button. Oh, there's no power.
I need to get the generator running.
Oh no. Very convenient, is it? Nothing mentioned, nothing gained. Right, okay then. Oh, that's a noise I like. Back off. just keep killing them like that. Using a flare gun. There we go. Well done. Marvellous. Well, we made that look easy because we had all sorts of shit. Man who appeared out of the ground, I saw you. Well, this is quite calming. Get in there. So long! I've got an itchy ear, but it's right inside my headphones, so I can't get to it. Oh, that's always good. No. Oh, manuscript page? Yes, please.
After Zane had gone, I stood alone in the shifting dream that was the dark place. I had to find a way to the cabin. I'd written myself a way through this place in the manuscript. I followed the idea of a path. I'd written myself across the ocean that blocked my way, and with that, there was a bridge to the island beyond. The idea of the cabin flickered in the underwater darkness. I willed the cabin to be real, and it was.